Good day, machinery lovers. Get ready to witness the power and efficiency of heavy equipment machines as we dive into this exciting video. The double-row disc Ripper Brack T26B is a heavy-duty forestry attachment used for ground preparation before planting. It is designed to rip up tough soil and break up any hard ground, leaving behind a more suitable environment for planting trees. The attachment features 2 rows of ripper discs that are mounted on a strong steel frame. The ripper discs are made of high-grade steel, making them tough and durable. New Eagle wheel trenchers are a type of equipment used for digging trenches in the ground for various purposes, such as laying pipes, cables, or drainage systems. These trenchers are known for their durability, efficiency, and versatility in handling different types of terrain. Crawler trenchers are often preferred over wheel trenchers for heavy-duty excavation work, as they can handle larger loads and operate in more challenging conditions. The Berkey Waterway Cleaning Machine is a modern equipment designed for cleaning water bodies. It comes with specialized tools that can remove various types of pollutants, including debris, leaves, branches, and algae from the water surface and the bottom of the water body. Pollution of water bodies and plastic and other debris is a serious problem today. Such machines help to improve the situation. One of the largest and most impressive bucket wheel excavators in the world is the Bagger 293, also known as the Monster of Lignite. Manufactured by the German company Takrav, this massive machine stands over 96 meters tall and weighs more than 14,000 tons. The Bagger 293 is powered by an electric motor that delivers up to 18,000 horsepower to the machine's massive bucket wheel. The amphibious Menziemunk excavator is a unique construction machine designed to operate in a variety of challenging environments, including wetlands, swamps, and other aquatic ecosystems. The Menziemunk excavator is built on a versatile and highly mobile undercarriage that can traverse even the most difficult terrain. The Tesmec M5 mechanical trencher is a powerful and versatile machine designed for digging trenches in a variety of soil types and ground conditions. The M5 is a reliable and efficient solution for a range of digging applications. The Wirtgen SP25 paver is a compact and versatile paving machine that is designed to deliver high-quality results for a range of applications. It is ideally suited for urban areas where space is limited and maneuverability is key. With its small size and maneuverability, the SP25 can navigate through tight spaces and work in areas where larger machines cannot. The Slagpot Taurus is designed with a high-quality steel frame and lined with heat-resistant materials, ensuring that it can withstand the extreme temperatures and harsh environments present in steel mills. The machine is equipped with wheels and can move easily around the plant, making it a highly efficient tool for transporting molten slag. The CAT 365C excavator is a large, heavy-duty piece of construction equipment manufactured by Caterpillar Incorporated. This excavator is designed to handle a wide variety of tasks, from digging and earth moving to demolition and construction. It is built to handle big jobs with a maximum operating weight of over 72 metric tons. The cab is spacious and comfortable, with plenty of room for the operator to move around and adjust their position as needed. Lofness Quick Trim is a powerful machine designed for trimming trees and other vegetation. Equipped with a hydraulic boom and an adjustable cutting head, this machine can reach up to 7.5 meters, making it perfect for trimming tall trees and hard-to-reach areas. This machine is designed for use in various settings, including parks, orchards, golf courses, and along roadways. Kahlbacher is an Austrian company that specializes in producing snow removal equipment for commercial and industrial use. One of their key product lines is their milling rotor snow blowers, which are designed to quickly and efficiently clear large amounts of snow from roads, runways, and other surfaces. They work by using a high-speed rotor to cut and mill the snow before blowing it out through a chute. The Optimal Opitz 3000 is a powerful machine capable of excavating trees up to 90 centimeters in diameter with its 4 large spade blades. The Opitz 3000 is equipped with hydraulic controls that allow the operator to easily adjust the spade blades to fit the tree's root ball. This ensures that the tree is dug out of the ground with minimal damage to the roots, allowing for successful transplantation to a new location. The mobile chipper Genshem 820DQ from Noller Landschaftsflieger impresses with its high-performance potential. The chipping drum is driven directly by an auxiliary engine. All other components, the crane and discharge fan, are powered by the truck's engine. The helix rotor guarantees particularly smooth machine operation. The new breakage protection on the counter knife significantly reduces the risk of failure in the event of foreign objects. This monster machine can dig trenches in seconds. They're made by a company called Next Trencher. They can dig holes up to 5.5 meters deep and 1.5 meters wide. The trenching machine is used to lay down water pipes and fiber optic cable. The CAT 637D motor scraper is a large piece of heavy machinery designed for use in earth moving and construction applications. One of the key features of this scraper is its impressive hauling capacity. It is also designed to operate in a variety of conditions, from wet and muddy to dry and dusty, making it a versatile choice for construction projects in a wide range of environments. Landpack created a tractor with a huge rotating shaft attached to the rear, weighing from 8 to 12 tons, used to compact the earth. The rotating shaft attached to the rear of the Landpack tractor is known as a sheep's foot roller or a pad foot roller. It's made up of a series of cylindrical or rectangular pads that create a kneading effect on the soil, helping to compact it evenly and efficiently. The milling rotor snow blowers played a crucial role in snow removal on the Corinthian side of the Großglockner High Alpine Road, which is buried under up to 20 meters of snow for about 6 months each year. The snow clearing operation has been a major challenge since the road was opened in 1935, but the introduction of milling rotor snow blowers in 1953 made the process much more efficient and effective. The Wirtgen W50RI is a small but powerful milling machine designed for use in road construction and maintenance projects. With its compact size and advanced features, this machine is an ideal choice for contractors and other professionals who need to quickly and efficiently remove old asphalt or concrete surfaces. The restoration process involved a complete disassembly of the machine, followed by the cleaning, repair, and replacement of all necessary components. The Stair SBF 24-6 is a versatile soil stabilization machine used for a range of applications in construction, mining, and road building industries. It's designed to effectively mix and stabilize soil and other materials, ensuring a solid foundation for building and paving projects. The machine is equipped with a powerful rotor that is capable of mixing soil, gravel, and other materials to a depth of up to 600 millimeters. The Conrad HL20N1 is a 6-wheel harvester machine that is primarily designed for use in medium to large wood forests. It's a versatile and powerful machine that is capable of efficiently harvesting a wide range of trees and shrubs, including hardwood and softwood species. Thanks to the balanced mass distribution, the ground pressure is optimized and the maximum retention of even soft soil is achieved. Another high-powered tractor that is designed to provide farmers with the performance, efficiency, and reliability they need to get the job done is the Case IH Steger Quadtrac 550. Its 4-track design provides several advantages over traditional wheeled tractors, including increased traction, reduced soil compaction, and improved maneuverability. The 4 tracks also help to distribute the weight of the tractor more evenly, which can help to reduce soil damage and improve overall field performance.